We've obviously had street lighting on the strategic road network for a number of years, but we know that we've had maybe the wrong light in the wrong place. So what we thought was, why are we lighting the motorways in Wales at 2 o'clock in the morning at the same level when the traffic volumes are a lot less? So we've always had the aspiration to try to ensure that the right light is at the right place at the right time. And so by dimming based on traffic volumes, it could be really important. So we thought we would work together through the supply chain, a real collaboration between a number of different companies, including Telensa, whose CMS system we use. This then was enabled us to make sure that the adaptive dimming system would work well based on the volume of the cars and then the times and the thresholds, using the Institute of Lighting Professional guidance documents to help us on this journey. So a number of benefits really. Number one is the energy saving. The energy saving means that it's not only saving carbon, but it's also saving resources, and the budgets, as we know, are dwindling year on year. So like we started off, the project aim was to make sure we only had the lights on at the right time at the right place. And so by the adaptive dimming project and making sure those lights were switched down to the appropriate levels, still fully compliant with all the standards for road safety. So we've had the benefits of energy saving, carbon saving, less maintenance costs. We've got the information coming back from site from the CMS system. We still have all the traffic flow information as well. But on the plus side as well is that the system can also be very intelligent. So for example, when the traffic flows drop down to below a certain level, or maybe the traffic comes to a standstill, the radar won't be counting cars. So there's obviously an incident. So the system can trigger to sort of say, put the lighting back up to 100%. So there's obviously an incident, the traffic's not moving, there may be a broken down vehicle, maybe a road traffic collision. So by then bringing the lighting back up to 100%, it makes sure that the road user enjoys a nice, safe experience. We also don't dim down the lights on the slip roads. When we started the project, we felt that it was important that these conflict areas are left at full brightness. So we just dim the main line, whether they're verge lighting or central reservation twin arm lighting. So again, we've been able to take the CMS and benefit from that. There's the benefits of making sure then that the LED drivers are not being worked too hard. We can extend the life of these and getting the reporting back for the contractor. It saves on traffic management costs. So there's a number of benefits right through the supply chain that help. All of them are part of the consequence of the adaptive lighting project. The long-term vision is, as we've said, the collaboration between the supply chain has been really good on this project. Getting different companies to talk together, break down those silos. And so I would like to see that this could happen with other projects as well. So we use this as an exemplar to show how we can benefit and make sure that the supply chain, the contractors, the suppliers, the manufacturers, the tech companies, we talk about AI, we need all of these people talking together with communication, collaboration. The innovations can really benefit the road users in the UK.